I love FPV, but I'm just missing something. How do I get even more out of it? The answer is to fly with other people. And when I started FPV, there was no one around. I went to the local hobby shop. They told me it was silly and I should go buy one of these giant petrol-powered gas planes. I didn't want to do that. They told me I'd have to make my own community, which is exactly what I've done. And now, 10 years later, this is where I'm really giving you the call. If you want to fly with other people, head over to here, because check this out. This is DIY FPV. Like, I built this website for you guys, and it is great to see it getting used. So in my local area, look at this. I can zoom in and I can find local pilots that I can go and fly with. I can send them a message. Maybe you're over. Let's have a look. Where's somewhere? Let's jump all the way over. Maybe we're over in Europe, which is kind of cool. So look, all these pilots over in the UK. You might be able to send them a message, click here, send them somewhere to go and fly. I built a message system too, so you can send them a message. So this is my bit of a shout out. If you are looking to take FPV to the next level, go join DIY FPV. It is completely free. Like, it is just designed for you. It's a passion project of mine to get people flying, to meet up. You can do, there's like so much more stuff here as well, like catalogs and dashboards and sharing your flights. Maybe you want to find where you want to buy like your latest radio from, and oh, look at these stores and here's the price levels in different locations and things. But today, I really just wanted to take this time to let you know that your community is waiting for you. If you are looking for the chance to go and fly with other people, just simply sign up to DIY FPV, and then send them a message. You can go and fly with people. And it has been great to, like, when I went to the national events here, the Australian Championships for drone racing, to hear people actually using this site to connect and fly and make some little local flying clubs as well. So this is just a little bit of a message, and I'm sure anybody in the chat can let me know as well. Like, flying with other people just takes it to the next level. It is so much fun, and it's what I love about this hobby. It's you guys. It's the community. You deserve to have an awesome time. You've got some cool things to fly around, and I promise you, it's just going to be even better when you get to go and fly with somebody else. Dave says, I'd even empty out my garage for a route flying weekend if anyone was around. Well, there you go, Dave. Go check it out. Sign up. Go find out exactly who is in your area and start chatting to them. Send them a message. Is there something like that in the USA? I'm the only FPV pilot I know. What do you mean in the USA? Yeah, check it out. Like, this is for everybody. Let's go have a look at the states here once it populates. Look at this. They've got pilots all over the place that you can meet up and have a fly with. You can click on their profile, send them a message. Like, all these pilots are in your area. I've never been able to fly with anyone. This is why I built this, for you guys. Please go and use it, because I want you to have a great time flying. And if you're like, oh, there's nobody in my specific area near me, all it takes is maybe you put that pin there and someone else is like, oh, I didn't realize both of us were here. I didn't bother because I didn't see anybody else around. But once you put that marker down, then you can get those messages. And there actually were some other pilots around as well. Dave's saying, if you have a radio, I have spare goggles, come and fly. There we go. See, that's what it is all about. Just people wanting to fly with other people. And flying with others truly is a blast. Like, you're just going to be laughing, crashing, repairing together. It takes the hobby that you love and just makes it even better. It's almost like, dare I say, and it'll be fine when my kids watch this, it's like, you think, I have so much love for my first daughter. I didn't think I had any more love to give. And then the second daughter came along, and all of a sudden, there's all this extra love, which doesn't take away from that first love. That's what it's like for FPV. It's like, you love this hobby, and then, oh my gosh, flying and hanging out and just laughing with other mates. It's incredible. So go and do that. Someone's saying, it's funny you zoomed in right in my area. Maybe that's a sign there, ACG. What is that? First time seeing it. This is my map that I made for you guys. DIY FPV. Like, this is, maybe I need to make more noise about this, because it's so you can connect with, this is all the pilots around the world. Like, look how many that is. There's so many pilots that you can go and fly with and have a good time with. I'm from Brazil. Absolutely. We've got pins all over the world. This is for everybody. It is free for everybody. FPV is for everybody. I made this site for everybody. It is for you to enjoy, for you to get the most out of these flying little toys that are so much fun. This is what I wanted when I started. When I started, the man at the hobby shop told me this was stupid and I should find and fly these big expensive planes. And there was no community around and I'd have to make one. And here we are 10 years later and if only I knew his name and I'd say, here's what I've done. I have built that community to get people flying. So yeah, just put your look, and not a, maybe you are the spark that starts that FPV local club in your area. But yeah, anyway, that's it. We got Jeff here is saying you attract people's curiosity and they want to know more. You have to be open, show them what you're doing, show them your flights, let them try the goggles, and they always leave happy. Some Miguel's registering now as well. And kids are saying, I remember when I told UAVfutures that no one flew around me. It turns out I was wrong. I've met some of the best friends in the last 5 years, and I'm finally not a hermit. Great to hear, kids. Great to hear. I'm so proud of you. This is probably a good part to say as well to every single person that is watching this, because we don't say it enough, that I am proud of you. I'm not just talking to kids. I'm talking to, if you are hearing this, that I am proud of you.